Hey there! I'm here to chat about Azure Logic Apps, and I've gotta tell you, it's a game changer. When I first heard of Azure Logic Apps, I knew I had to dive in and become familiar with this platform that Microsoft has been rolling out. So, let me walk you through a deeper look at Azure Logic Apps for anyone looking to get in tune with cloud integration and workflow automation, especially as an intermediate to advanced IT professional. Starting with the basics, Azure Logic Apps is essentially a tool where you use a visual designer to create workflows that integrate apps, data, systems, and services. It's not just about the integration, though. It allows for automation, so you're talking about automating tasks that range from simple to complex. Picture this: a Logic app workflow that can handle your email tasks, trigger actions across services, and even assist with complex business processes like order fulfillment. One of the key selling points for Logic apps that really got my attention is the way it scales with your enterprise needs, allowing for both cloud-based and on-premises integration. That means it seamlessly connects to a wide range of resources, which is particularly handy for businesses that aren't fully cloud-native but want to adopt a more mobile and integrated approach where possible. Diving into the architecture, Logic Apps runs on an array of logical workflows through a series of actions, conditions, and triggers. Each action represents a discrete operation like sending an email, interacting with an API, or reading from a table. Triggers, however, kick things off by initiating Logic Apps, and like conditions, they check for specific events or time-based occurrences. When implementing Azure Logic Apps within a security-sensitive context, there's Azure Active Directory integration that ensures your workflows are secure and compliant, providing features like fine-grained access control and audit logs right at the workflow level. It's about enabling the